Hello, I'm Dr. Kevin Golden, Associate Professor of Exegetical Theology at Concordia Seminary in St. Louis. I invite you to our upcoming Prof Insights workshop, It Stands Written, the New Testament Appropriation of the Old Testament, happening August 11th through the 13th at Jordan Lutheran Church in Apex, North Carolina. In the New Testament, Christ and his apostles consistently ground their teaching in the word of the Lord, spoken through Moses and the prophets. Yes, prophecy fulfillment plays a key role, but there's much more happening. Sometimes Old Testament language is transformed in striking ways. Other times we find subtle echoes and allusions that build on earlier texts, deepening our understanding of who Christ is and what he has come to do. During this workshop, we'll dig into these dynamics, explore their Christological significance, and consider how our own interpretation and preaching can reflect this rich biblical pattern. To learn more, visit csl.edu/workshop-series or scan the QR code on your screen. I look forward to seeing you there.